Hello everyone, my name is Ajay Medji from Aeronautical Engineering. In this presentation, I am going to discuss about heat performance of solar heat pump heating system with aluminium tube collector. Abstract: a solar heat pump with an aluminium tubular collector is proposed in this presentation. Mathematical models are established for solar energy absorption and air energy absorption of the aluminium tubular collector as well as the heat absorption coefficient of the working substance. The electronic expansion value is controlled via the Fuzzy PID method to adjust the working flow rate as well as to control the evaporator. Transys is used to analyze the effects of the wind speed, solar radiation amount, environmental temperature, and working substance flow rate on the heat performance of the aluminium tube collector. The result indicates that the heat performance of aluminium tube collector is significantly affected not only by the solar radiation but also the wind speed. For wind speed 2 meter per second, the absorbed power of the collector increases rapidly with increase of wind speed. When the working medium flow rate reaches 4 meter per second, the collector absorption power tends to be saturated. Introduction: under the pressure of energy transition and environmental pollution, compressive utilization of renewable energy is the direction for the development of diverse clean energy system. As a main of renewable energy, solar energy has been widely used in light electricity, light heat, photochemical, and so on. In recent years, the use of solar heat pumps for heating has become a popular research topic in the field of solar utilization. Solar energy heat pump heating technology uses solar energy as a low temperature heat source of heat pump system to realize building heating. Jordan proposed the idea of combining solar energy and a heat pump for heating and verified the feasibility of solar heat pump operation through experimental research foundation for the development of solar heat pump heating. As a main energy source of solar heat pump system, collector is one of the core devices of the solar heat pump system. Its heat collection performance will have a huge impact on COP, coefficient of performance. Equipment and method description. Aluminium tube collector. As shown different from the traditional flat plate collector, it's without light transmission and thermal insulation materials and is directly exposed to the atmosphere, which is the energy input of solar heat pump. The solar energy and air energy can be absorbed simultaneously through the absorption coating on the surface of the collector and the temperature difference between the working medium in the tube and the environment. The aluminum tubular collector analyzed here is composed of several single pipes having an inner diameter 21 mm and the outer diameter of 25 mm, a fine thickness of 1 mm and the fine length of 150 mm, a pipe length of 150 mm. Two single pipe are connected by an elbow of the same material forming U pipe. B. Performance analysis method for collector. Transys is a flexible modular transit system simulation software. The main application area seen include building energy supply system, air conditioning system, and optimization, etc. Transys software is used to analyze the performance of the aluminum tube collector, and the total heat collection is Q is equal to Qs plus Qa, where C represents the total heat of the collector in W. Qs represents the solar energy absorption of the collector. If the system operates in steady rate, the total heat collected by the collector can be expressed as Q is equal to Cm T in to T out. Solar energy absorption. The solar energy absorption of the collector is mainly determined by two factors. The collector absorbs the direct radiation and dissipates the heat radiation. Under steady conditions, the corresponding mathematical model is expressed as follows: Qs is equal to Qb plus Qd, where Qs represents the solar energy absorption of collection in W. Qb represents the scattered radiation observed by the collector in W. Qs can be expressed as follows: Qs is equal to Ib Rb plus Id Rd 1 minus cos theta. where ID and Ig represents the normal direct radiation intensity, scattered radiation intensity, and total radiation of the coefficient of the collector installed on the ground. This picture showing the solar heat pump heating system with aluminum tubular collector. Air energy absorption. The air absorption capacity of an aluminum exhaust collector is mainly carried out by the convective heat transfer at the top and bottom as follows. QA is equal to Q convective plus Q convective B, where QA represents the air absorption capacity in kilojoule per hour. Q convective T represents the convective heat transfer at the top of the collector in kilojoule per hour, and Q convective B represents the convective heat transfer at the bottom of the collector in kilojoule per hour. The convective heat transfer between the top and bottom of the collector is calculated as follows, where in actual operation the convective heat transfer between the collector surface and the environment includes both natural convection and forced convection, which belongs to mixed convection. If the aluminum tubular collector is simplified as a flat collector, the convective heat transfer coefficient H can be obtained according to the results of Ken John. At GRE 2.5 greater than 1, the Nusselt number of the collector surface is calculated by the following formula. Nu is equal to 0.518 Ra 1 by 5. At GRE 2.5 less than 1, the Nusselt number of the collector surface is close to the calculation result of the following formula. Nu is equal to 0.458 Re 1 by 2 Pr 1 by 3, where Gr, Re, Nu and Ra represent Krashof number, Reynolds number, Nusselt number, and Rangine's number of the heat transfer process between the ambient air and the collector. Heat pump experimental system. The proposed solar heating system with the aluminum tubular collector is presented in figure 2. It mainly includes aluminum tube collector, compressor, electronic expansion valve, heat exchanger, control module, etc. Its working principle is as follows. Firstly, the heat of solar energy absorbed by the aluminum tube collector is transferred to the working medium flowing through the collector to make it evaporate. Secondly, the working medium in the steam state becomes high temperature and high pressure steam after being pressurized by the compressor. Thirdly, the working medium in the high temperature and high pressure flows through the heat exchanger to transfer heat to the indoor circulating thermal medium and condense itself to the liquid state. Finally, the working medium in the steam state becomes high temperature and high pressure steam after being pressurized by the compressor. The working medium in liquid state flows through the electronic expansion valve throttles to the low pressure state and then returns the collectors a complete cycle. Flow method of heat pump. In the working process of the heat pump, the control of the degree of superheat is crucial link and the key to determining the heating efficiency. For improving the reliability of the system, the use of the difference between the inlet and outlet temperature of the evaporator to control the overheating of the working fluid is proposed. A control flow chart shows the electric energy consumed by the heating system. There was a large difference in the hourly electric power consumption, which was in the range of 1.94 to 3.64 kilowatt per hour. It was mainly affected by the outdoor environment temperature. When the outdoor temperature was low and the energy absorbed by the aluminum tube collector was insufficient, the electric power consumption value is large. In particular, when the temperature was at low at night, the solar energy absorbed heat was zero. Reducing the wind speed increased the electric power consumption as shown in figure. The electronic power consumption was maximized at 7 am on November 11 to 2020, mainly because of the low outdoor environment temperature and low ambient wind speed. Conclusion. In this presentation, I provide a solar collector using aluminum tube through Transys software. We study the influence of wind speed, solar direct radiation intensity, ambient temperature and working medium flow rate on the collector's performance. At the same time, the environmental system is built to analyze the heat transfer performance and heating effect of the solar heat pump heating system with aluminum tube collector. The main conclusions as are follows. First one, the wind speed, environment, temperature and working medium flow rate do not affect the solar absorption. However, the amount of direct solar radiation significantly affects the amount of solar absorption. Second one, the energy absorption of the collector increases with the increase of wind speed, ambient temperature and inlet flow, and the temperature of wind speeds has the most obvious effect on the air energy absorption. Third one, with increase in the working fluid flow rate and environmental temperature, the environmental energy absorption capacity of the collector increases. However, a continuous increase in the working substances flow rate limits the increase in the environmental energy absorption. Fourth one, the experimental data indicated the following: the designed solar heat pump heating system can achieve a good heating effect, the constant temperature and overheating. Thanks for watching.